The 7 best vitamins to repair your nerves. Discover the essential vitamins that play a crucial role in repairing and maintaining healthy nerves. Nerve damage can be a debilitating condition, but fortunately, certain vitamins have been shown to support nerve health and regeneration. In this video, we will explore key vitamins that can help repair your nerves, including vitamin B12, vitamin B6, and vitamin E. Learn how these vitamins can help relieve nerve pain, numbness, and tingling sensations, and find out how to incorporate them into your diet to support optimal nerve function. Whether you're looking to manage a neurological condition or simply maintain healthy nerves, this video is for you. Get ready to take the first step toward a healthier and happier life by discovering the vitamins that can help repair your nerves. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have medical concerns. If you feel tingling, burning, or sharp pain in your hands or feet, you may have nerve damage. The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord throughout your nervous system. Sometimes, the ends of these nerves become damaged, causing sharp stabbing pain, especially in the toes and fingertips. In severe cases, you may experience numbness, loss of balance, or muscle weakness. This type of nerve damage is called peripheral neuropathy and can be caused by high blood sugar, alcohol, poor blood circulation, and nutritional deficiencies. Fortunately, certain vitamins can help heal nerves quickly and naturally, restoring normal sensation in your hands and feet while eliminating nerve pain. In today's video, we will explore these key vitamins and nutrients, including antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients that can naturally heal nerve damage. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have medical concerns. Alpha-lipoic acid. Taking 600 milligrams of alpha-lipoic acid 3 times a day can help heal and repair nerves. This natural antioxidant is commonly prescribed in Germany to reduce symptoms like pain, tingling, and burning sensations in the hands, legs, and feet. It improves blood circulation to the nerves, helping them receive nourishment and repair oxidative damage. It also enhances the transmission of electrical signals between the nerves and the brain. You can also get alpha-lipoic acid from organ meats and red meats such as beef liver, cod liver, and grass-fed beef. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. One of the most important vitamins for nerve healing is vitamin B1 in the form of benfotiamine. Nerve problems are often caused by an excess of unhealthy foods and high blood sugar levels, which lead to inflammation and oxidative damage in the blood vessels connected to your nerves. This results in nerve dehydration and improper signal transmission, leading to pain, numbness, and tingling. Taking 300 milligrams of benfotiamine twice a day can naturally repair nerves. Since it is fat-soluble, it penetrates the protective fatty layer, myelin, of your nerves to heal them from the inside. It also helps reduce anxiety and calms the nervous system, promoting focus and relaxation. Natural sources of vitamin B1 include sunflower seeds, beef liver, pasture-raised eggs, and asparagus. 3. Cod liver oil, rich in omega-3 DHA. For nerve and brain healing, it is essential to consume foods rich in DHA. A type of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA is the primary building block of neurons and nerve cells, making it vital for nerve regeneration. DHA is found in fatty fish such as wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel, but the most concentrated natural source is Icelandic virgin cod liver oil. Taking 1 teaspoon daily provides powerful anti-inflammatory benefits, helping reduce swelling that affects nerve health. Nutritional yeast. One of the best foods for nerve health is nutritional yeast. Consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes daily can help heal nerve damage and prevent future issues. These flakes are packed with B vitamins, essential for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Regular consumption helps regulate blood sugar levels, reverse neuropathy, and boost energy by improving glucose metabolism. Other B vitamin-rich foods include seafood, shellfish, eggs, and dairy products. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have medical concerns. Turmeric, curcumin. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which has been used for over 4,000 years to reduce pain and inflammation. It is particularly effective for nerve-related discomfort. You can add 1 teaspoon of turmeric to stir-fries or curry dishes, or mix it into a glass of warm milk to help restore nerve function and reduce pain. Adding a pinch of black pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Turmeric also stimulates the liver to produce glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which nourishes and heals the nervous system. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral for building neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters that play key roles in nerve function. It is particularly helpful for protecting and repairing eye nerves, especially for people with diabetes. To increase zinc intake, eat oysters, seaweed, crab meat, beef liver, and pumpkin seeds, or take a 30 mg zinc supplement daily. Zinc also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing further nerve damage. Vitamin B12. Many people suffer from vitamin B12 deficiency, especially older adults or those following vegan and vegetarian diets. However, B12 is crucial for nerve health as it helps form the protective myelin sheath around nerves. B12 is found in shellfish, seafood, red meats, eggs, and seaweed. Increasing B12 intake promotes red blood cell production, which nourishes and repairs nerves. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor if you have medical concerns. For faster nerve regeneration, you can take up to 1,800 mcg of methylcobalamin B12 per day. Be sure to choose methylcobalamin, not cyanocobalamin, as the latter may have toxic side effects. As you can see, some powerful vitamins and nutrients can naturally heal and repair your nerves, restoring normal sensation in your fingers, toes, hands, feet, and other damaged areas. Many of these nutrients are already found in common foods, so start by incorporating more of them into your diet. Check out our other videos for more information on natural remedies, health, and nutrition. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Wishing you good health, happiness, and well-being.